Hi, everyone! This video shows you how to assemble the cryotherapy chamber uCyro A8. First, we need to install the top of the cryotherapy chamber. Align the top. Someone holds it in place. And then you can install the mounting screws. Tighten the screws to secure it. There are a total of 4 mounting screws. After that, connecting the wires. First, check the wire pins. The 3-pin cable goes into the 3-pin port. There are 2 PCS wires of 4 pins. The 4-pin cable can be connected in any order. Next, connect the lights wiring. This is the same as connecting standard wires. And then close the back cover. Next, connect the liquid nitrogen tank to the chamber. A wrench is required to secure this connection. Now connected with the chamber body. Finally, connect the power cord. Turn on the power switch. This cryotherapy chamber is fully assembled. The machine will start up. You can begin operating it via the control panel.